All right, we're going to work out day 93 accelerometer. So start by putting your name up here at the top. Maybe even say day 93 accelerometer. Okay, now always from microbit import star. And then we're going to do I equals image. Here's a blank image. And then we're going to do a while true. We're going to repeat forever. We're going to say x equals accelerometer. You can hit enter there. Get underline x. That gets the x value of the accelerometer, and y equals accelerometer get y. And then we're going to do a little or a big if statement. And I showed you what to do. I gave it to you in the PDF. I'm going to type it out. You could go get it out of the PDF, copy it. So if x is less than negative 600, we're going to say COL for column equals 0, backspace twice, L if x less than negative 200, call equals 1. What we're doing is we're taking these different ranges of values. I'll do it on like a number line. If we had, I'll do a comment here. You don't have to type this. If we had negative 600, negative 200, and then we have positive 200, and then we have positive 600. This breaks the world up into five areas. We've got over here smaller than negative 600. Here we got between 200 and 600, and here we've got between negative 200, positive 200, and here's between positive 200 and 600, and here's bigger than 600. So there's five spots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're going to map those to columns 0. So I'll put a 0 here so you can see, and this will be 1, and this is 2, and this is 3, and this is 4. So that's what we're mapping to. That's what's going on. We do another elif x less than 200, column equals 2, elif x less than 600, column equals 3, and finally we're going to just do an else, and else doesn't have a condition on it. We're going to say column equals 4. So that's what's going on here. Hang on, just trying to move my mouse to find something on a different window. Okay, and now we're going to do this for the y value. And we're going to call the y the row. So if y less than negative 600, row equals 0. L if y less than negative 200, so it's the same game. We're just doing a different variable. We're doing row this time. So we're going to have a row and a column. Now notice there's a colon at the end of each of these if parts. That's important. Okay, so now we've mapped everything, the row and the column. Oh, by the way, let's take a minute and just save. I'm going to hit save here. Oh, and I'm in a document that already had a name, so I'm going to select all, make a new document, which is what I should have done. All right, save, and I'm going to say day 93 accelerometer has worked out. And then I might recommend clicking desktop, otherwise it's kind of hard to get to the document. They put it in a really weird place. Okay, so now we've got the accelerometers. We're in a while true. We're getting these readings. We're mapping them into rows and columns. The reason we're doing 0 to 4 for row and column is that's our our grid of 5x5 lights. A 5x5 grid of lights is actually from 0 to 4 twice. So what we're going to do now is we're going to set the current light, whatever row and column, we're going to turn it on. So we do I dot set pixel, and then we're going to say row and column, and we're going to say 9. So that off screen says, hey, turn this one on, and then we're going to say display show I. So that lights it up, and then I'd like you to put a sleep in here. So there's just a little delay. And then yeah, we're doing well. I'm gonna pause just for a sec. I got something I gotta do. Okay, I'm back. And the last thing I asked you to do. So this is all you have to do to light up all the pixels on that thing. I'm gonna go ahead and upload it. And as I move, as I rotate the thing around, leaning it in different directions, I get all kinds of pixels lit up. All right, so we're trying, this is like a little blackout game. And then I asked you to make it so that if somebody presses the A button, it wipes the board. So we can say if button A was pressed, you can just say I equals image. We're basically making a new empty image. Display.show I. And that's a way to reset the whole thing. So I'm uploading my code, and it works great. I mean, it clears everything but the current dot, because that current dot is being set constantly, right? So so when you press the little button, you'll just have one dot lit at that point. And there is an extra credit option, and that's to keep track, to check if all the lights are lit, and then to give a happy face or something. So, but that's today's assignment. All right. I hope this video